So most people have given up hope on Shiba Inu, but there has something new that just came out that has just changed the whole future of Shiba Inu. So what is that, and what it could possibly do to the Shiba Inu price? We'll be going over that in this video. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently over at our screen and we are on coinmarket.com, and let's look up Shiba Inu to analyze that graph. So Shiba Inu is number 17 currently on the coin market. So Shiba Inu is currently number 17 on market cap. So currently the 17th biggest cryptocurrency right now, and our current price is 99.64. I'm just removing the zeros for a better understanding. And we are currently 1.1% up from the past 24 hours. So let's take a look at this graph right now. We can see that we have gotten this dip from the early hours of yesterday, and then we have come back up a little bit. We went as low as 94.24. So this was yesterday at around 5:30 p.m. and we have made our way back up to the range of around 99.64. Now that is some pretty decent news for Shiba Inu. And if we look at the 7-day chart, we can see that we are still up by 7.6% from the past 7 days. So our first couple of days weren't really great. We were in the red, but then as the week went on, we came back up and we made our way all the way to 1047. So that range was our highest point on this weekly graph, and then we have had a little bit of retracements, which is necessary for every market. So we are currently moving around right here. So let's take a look at this article by cryptonews.net. It says Shiba Inu, Shibarium's future unveiled by SHIB marketing lead. So we'll be taking a look at this article and what the current official marketing experts have to say about Shiba Inu. So let's read this portion. It says Shiba Inu's official marketing expert, who prefers to call herself Lucy on social media platforms, has published a post on the Binance Square network to address the SHIB community and unfold what awaits the Layer 2 Shibarium network this year soon. While talking about that, Lucy also emphasized the great importance of the role that Shiba Inu army has to play as Shibarium continues to expand and get stronger. And if we look at this tweet, it says, unveiling the future, what awaits Shibarium, read more, and there's a link, and it's by Lucy. So if we read this quote, it says, journey into the future of Shibarium, here's what's coming. So there's a lot to unpack here about the future of Shibarium and the possible upcoming price predictions for Shiba Inu. So let's read this portion. It says, as she talked about the future of Shibarium's blockchain, Lucy elaborated that it will go far beyond SHIB Swap and Shiba Eternity play-to-earn games that was launched in autumn of 2022. So this is a very big project coming soon on the Shiba Inu blockchain, which is called Shibarium, and there has been a couple more before this platform. There was Shiba Swap and Shiba Eternity, which were play-to-earn games that were launched in 2022 but did not make it to such a high level. But this is predicted to be something very big. So let's read the second portion. It says, Lucy named only 2 upcoming releases for the Shiba Inu team: the super app called Shiba Hub and the long-awaited SHIB Metaverse. Lucy also mentioned that new projects are eagerly joining the Shibarium ecosystem. Aside from these projects who have grand plans, whispered in the eco realm suggests more exciting launches are imminent, per Lucy's blog post. So there is a lot of stuff planned for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and we have yet to see a lot more in the future of the Shibarium blockchain. And if we read this portion, it says, Lucy stressed that while the realm of Shibarium is surrounded by the Shiba Eternity game, SHIB, the Metaverse, and the Shiba Swap DEX, still the true excitement lies in the mysteries yet to be unrevealed. A perfect future of Shibarium's per Lucy lies with a perfect, robust community that inspires thousands of new projects to build on Shibarium. It will then, Lucy, and stress that will evaluate Shibariums to unprecedented heights. It will also surprise the team and the community and capture their imagination. So we can tell by the quotes of Lucy that this is something very, very huge, and we have a lot of stuff planned for Shiba Inu in the upcoming future. So even if we see this Shibarium transaction, we can see despite the overall optimistic future expected by the Shiba Inu team, at the moment the major utility metric of Shibarium is plunging. According to Shibarium Scan Explorer, after dropping to a 4-week low of 2.46 million transactions per day, this metric has dropped even lower, reaching $1.33 million. The total transaction counts is still impressive, standing $281 million at the time of writing this article in less than a week. It has added 25 million transferred. The number of collected wallets has increased by approximately 2,000 by January 5, since January 5. So we have yet to see a lot more in this Shiba Inu network, and we have currently a lot of stuff planned. So we can see, even if we look at the growth of Shiba Inu in the past year, we can see it has not done well. So we have yet to see more and more. We can see it was doing earlier this year, it was in the range of 1471 in February of 2023. So we can see that it was doing pretty well back then, but then it has gotten all the way back down to 65.55. So this is where it has stand for a while, and then we have come back up in the bull run that we were having late year during October, December, and that time. So we have yet to see a lot more for Shiba Inu, and we have a lot more planned in the upcoming years for, according to Lucy on the internet. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how Shiba Inu and Shibarium, which is the blockchain of Shiba Inu, has a lot more stuff planned in the upcoming future. We also saw other projects by Shiba Inu before called Shiba Swap and Shiba Eternity. So we have seen those projects, but they weren't as big as this upcoming things, and we can expect a lot more from Shiba Inu in the very near future. So that was it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, I also do daily crypto live streams on this channel talking about the recent crypto price changes and any recent crypto news that has come out recently. So please stay tuned for that, and I also create long form content videos like this, so please do make sure to check those out also. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.